Growing plants from stems, root and leaves. Growing plants from stems. Rose, hibiscus, money plants. Some plants like rose, hibiscus and money plants can be grown from stem cutting. Look at this mother plant. Stem cutting. Stem cutting is planted in the soil. After a few days, the stems cutting grow potatoes, onions, ginger. Look at this, growing plants from stems. Potato, onion and ginger are stems of plants which can grow into new plants. A potato has buds on it called eyes. Any parts of potatoes bearing an eye can grow into a new plant. Potatoes. Potatoes, onion and ginger are stems of plant which can grow into new plants. Look at this. This is beta buds. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? इसको eyes भी बोलते हैं. Okay. A buds on potatoes can grow into a new plant. Clear? Growing plants from roots. Some plants like sweet potato, carrot, radish, turnip, dahlia store food in their roots. Roots of these plants can grow into new plants. Clear? Sweet potato, carrot, radish, turnip, dahlia. Growing plants from roots. Place a sweet potato in a glass full of water with the help of some toothpick and keep the glass in an open space. After few days, you will observe a new plants growing out of it. Look at this. Clear? Let's experiment. Aim to grow a plant from a carrot. Okay? Carrot, bowl, knife, water. Method. Cut off the top portion of the carrot. Okay? Then keep the cut part in the bowl with the top portion upward. Keep the container in the sun. Okay? Observe the carrot for a few days. Observation: new leaves spurt from the top portion of the carrot. Growing plants from leaves. Look at this, leaves of bryophyllum plant. Okay, this is buds. Clear? Leaves of bryophyllum plant have buds in the notched along the margin. These buds develop into new plantlets. When the leaves fall on soil, these plants get separated and develop into independent plants. You should know growing plants from spores, ferns plant. Growing plant from spores. Plant like ferns grow from spores. Spores are found on the underside of a fern leaf. Fungi like mushroom and bread Mold also grow from spores.